Hello, my name is Janelle Bartlett. I'm a chartered accountant and partner at Janelle. At this time of year, clients often ask us about tax-deductible gifts for clients, staff and business associates. So what gifts are tax-deductible? The answer is complicated because there are quite a few factors that come into play, particularly the issue of fringe benefits tax. We really want to avoid that. So I'm actually going to go into provide a really simple answer for you. So corporate gifts, it's complicated. Some of them are tax deductible, but some are subject also to fringe benefits tax, and that makes them very, very costly. We're providing a really simple answer with two lists. So gifts for staff and clients, suppliers and business associates. The first list is the good list, and that's gifts that are tax deductible with no extra fringe benefits tax. And the second list is the bad list. It's not tax deductible or fringe benefits tax does apply, and that's very expensive. Tips about the good list. Remember that they must cost less than $300. So not $300, it has to be less. If the gift costs $300 or more, you don't meet the requirements and you don't have the benefits of being tax deductible. They need to be given infrequently, so you can't give them every week or all of the time. Perhaps twice a year is a good rule of thumb, and Christmas is obviously one of those times. They must not be entertainment. We'll talk a little bit about entertainment gifts, but the gifts that I'll give you in the list, the good list, will all be qualifying and not considered entertainment. So what are good gifts? Gift baskets are great. Flowers are acceptable. Department store gift cards like Coles, Myer, cards and similar are all great as well. Alcohol, but it must not be consumed. It has to be sealed and given as a sealed gift, or a massage voucher, something like Pure Indulgence or one of the massage places. So all of those gifts, if they're under $300, they are going to be fine and tax deductible, and you can claim the GST if you are registered. So next we'll talk about bad gifts. These are the gifts that are quite costly because they're either not tax deductible or they are subject to fringe benefits tax, which is a very expensive tax. So tickets or gift cards to movies, meals and restaurants, golf or sporting events, theatre and concerts, fishing trips, accommodation that's not work, travel and flights that's not work. So these are all things you want to avoid because many of them are subject to fringe benefits tax and some of them are not deductible. So the ones that are noted there with the hash are entertainment, and that's why they're on the list. So a movie voucher is not acceptable because it's subject to fringe benefits tax, but a Coles Myer voucher is okay. It's on the good list. Lots of clients ask me about gifts to family. The most important thing to remember here is that you must deal with your family at arm's length. So think to yourself, if the task or role that had been provided by someone was not in your family, would you give them a gift? So just have a think about that, and that will always keep that arm's length idea in front of your mind. So be careful, because if the gift is private, it's not deductible. So I'll go back to the good gifts. These are the things we do want to give to people because we do achieve a tax deduction if they're under $300, and we can claim the GST if we're registered. So these things are gift baskets, flowers, department store gift cards, for example, Coles Myer, David Jones, BWS, Rebel and all of those retail cards that are available. Alcohol, but it must be sealed, a massage voucher or Pure Indulgence. This is my disclaimer. The information presented here is general in nature. I've made some various assumptions which might not reflect your particular circumstances, so please always seek particular personal advice for your business. Janelle have offices nationally. We have the resources of a national group, but the fee structure and personal service of your local office. If you'd like to discuss how we can help your business, or you would like to sign up to our free newsletter service with lots of great information just like this video, please go to our website and sign up on the sign up form. Thank you for listening.